Hello. In one of my interactive sessions, a participant asked me a question. The question was, why is it when it comes to watching a web series, watching sports, scrolling through social media, or playing online games, we are so committed, we have all the time for them. But when it comes to all those important things in our life which really matter, we tend to postpone. We don't have time. We have all the excuses for them. Why is it so? I smiled at the question because the answer was pretty simple, learned a little hard way over a period of time. And the answer was, we as human beings love instant gratification. We want immediate satisfaction, and anything which gives immediate satisfaction, we tend to go for that. So when it comes to watching a web series, watching sports, or any other such thing, mind gets immediate sense of satisfaction. Yes, something good was done to me. However, whenever we have to invest our time, our energy into those things for which the rewards are not immediately available, they are somewhere in future, mind tends to delay them. This is the simple reason. And I also quoted an experiment which was done in 70s, famously called as marshmallow experiment, done by a Stanford psychologist, Walter Mischel. In this experiment, children were placed in a room and they were given a marshmallow. Marshmallow is a kind of a soft candy. And what were children told? They were told that you can eat it now, or if you can wait for 15 minutes, I'll be back in 15 minutes, and then you will have double the candies. You'll have another one. And those children were observed through cameras, and different kinds of behaviors were noticed. There were children who did not wait for any long, they immediately ate their candies. There were children who continued to struggle for a while, but they relented. But there were some children who went through their emotional challenges, kept on playing with the candy in different ways, but they waited for 15 minutes. And when the researchers came, they were given a double the reward as promised. Now, this was the experiment. Later in years, Walter Mischel tracked those children, 7 children to be precise, who were able to wait for 15 minutes to see how they have done in their lives. And what was noticed was those 7 children, they did very well academically, their physical well-being, as well as their economic well-being. They were all very well placed. However, other children, they went through their own challenges and struggles. The conclusion of this experiment was, if you are able to wait for some time to gratify yourself, the probability is that you are likely to do pretty well in other areas of life also. Yes, it's true that there are further research studies which are going on and different kind of results are coming out of them. However, this is very well true that if we are able to wait to reward ourselves, that is when perhaps we will be able to choose those activities which are going to have a long-term beneficial effect. So the question that I'm raising to all of us, which includes me also, is what is your marshmallow? And since we are grown-ups now, we are not children anymore, we have a sense of judgment, our definition of marshmallow must also change. Yes, we can consume that marshmallow instantly, but with the changed definition. So the question is, what is your marshmallow? Is your marshmallow still a web series, a sports program, social media scrolling, watching videos endlessly? Or is your marshmallow has transitioned towards taking care of yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, investing your time and energy in your relations, or working for professional growth? If these become our marshmallows, which we consume instantly, since they are important from the long-term perspective, I am sure your life will undergo a major change in not too long a period, but in much shorter a time than perhaps you have imagined. So in conclusion, what I'm saying is, what shall be our marshmallow? There are 3 important areas that you must constantly look at. They must be balanced in your life. It's like sitting on a 3-legged stool. And what are these 3 legs? First one is you yourself. It's of utmost importance that you take very good care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally. And all that will require investing your time, energy, and perhaps money also to take care of that. Second important area that you must work towards is investing in relations. personal relations as well as professional relations, developing social networks. All that again is going to contribute to a lot of your happiness over a period of time. And the last one is, since a lot of our time goes in our professions, in our work, and it is very important that we continue to grow in our professions, otherwise negative emotions start accumulating. That is why you must continue to work towards your professional growth also. That may require consistent learning, that may require development of skills which are important to rise up in your career, like developing very strong teams, like leadership, like decision making. And when you start taking care of all these aspects, you will notice life becomes holistically balanced, life becomes much more fulfilling and rewarding. And if I have to say that, my mission is all that. My mission is to influence 100,000 working professionals to live up to their potential and lead highly fulfilling and purpose-oriented lives. And my entire work revolves around helping you to create a sense of balance in your life. I wish you all the best. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy.